Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is a channel where we talk about my top stocks. That includes crypto and also business ventures that could generate you passive income. Some of those stocks we talk about are dividend stocks. Other stocks are growth stocks. So today we're going to kick it off talking about the top stock. Tesla today was up 2.91%. Again, Tesla was up 2.91% for a total earnings of $154. Now, Tesla is down over 70% for the year to date of 2022, but we expect the stock to rebound on quarterly earnings. Okay, so the stock is down over 70% over last year. So if we look, the stock was trading about $300 last February, and it's now trading about $100 now. Okay, but we expect this stock to rebound around the earnings call. Elon Musk will speak again. We have earnings call coming up around January 25th. They will talk about the quarterly earnings. Here it is, January 2nd, 2023. In the fourth quarter, we produced 439,000 vehicles, and we deliver over 400,000 vehicles in 2022. We grew over 40% year over year to 1.31 million. Production grew 47%. And like I said, we do have the quarterly earnings here on January 5th. So that will be the make it or break it date. We should hear from Elon Musk, the CEO, and he should talk about the future forecast of the company and forward forecast for cars produced and revenue forecast. There'll also be the CEO on the call, and that's where we'll get the real numbers. Right now, we're getting a lot of bad numbers coming out of Wall Street because they expected 50% growth year over year, not 47%. Okay, so those are the numbers. Hopefully, Elon Musk will have some great news on January 25th. So that'll be the earnings call, and that should kick off the year and reset Tesla on a upward projection. Okay, so look for that on January 25th, 2023. We already got the press release, and that's where you can hear just some of the overview, quick information for Q4 2022. This is the last quarter of 2022. We'll get all the numbers of production and deliveries in hand of vehicles. Okay. Now, the market was up today, this Friday. We had the Dow Jones index was up 2%. The S&P 500 was up 2.28%. The NASDAQ composite was also up 2.56. Russell 2000 stocks got in the action too. That's like your charge point and some of your other smaller cap stocks. And the VIX was down as well. Okay. So we had a good rally. Looks like there's some information about the casting for the House Speaker. McCarthy, it still looks like it's still really tight, the Speaker of the House race. Also, we have Salesforce CEO Benioff hints at more potential layoffs. Okay, we do know CRM, the stock, took a hit last month as the co-CEO left, and also one of the major other executives left the team. And some feel like some of the software cloud space is crowded now with Amazon, Salesforce, and quite a few others. But Salesforce in particular is business development software that helps in sales and increase productivity. Some of their largest acquisitions, such as Slack and MuleSoft, have said too much acquisitions, too much paid for those companies. But Mark Benioff has acquired many clients. Bank of America and several other big Fortune 500 companies use the Salesforce software. So I don't see Salesforce going anywhere. Okay. But it says this Friday, stock stage a big rally of 2023. This is in hope as growth that inflation will ease. We do have the Fed speaking next week. The Fed will meet next week and talk about will they raise interest rates. Okay. So again, we had some good job numbers yesterday, and all that data was filled in yesterday. And today we came out with a bang. Okay. So we were up 2.13%. And again, in the TD account, I was up a little over $800. I still am holding my Tesla. If you want to look at position count, it is one of my larger positions, Tesla. I still hold a little over $2,000, $2,800 in profit. That is down from a profit of over $5,000, but I still hold the shares of 48 shares of Tesla. Now, I did sell a couple shares last month, but I will be adding more to my Tesla position, okay? I believe Tesla will come back. I don't know to what degree, but I believe with the news coming around January 25th, it'll be great news, okay? Also, some of my top positions, SoFi. SoFi will report end of January as well, okay? SoFi is still stuck, trading about $4.62. I'm down a little over $1,400, and I hold over 174 shares. Also, Ford Motor Company, I hold a little over 156 shares, okay? I continue to add to that position as well, okay? So I see Ford as a great place to be. Also, RF, or Regions Financial Bank, Bank of America, I'll probably be adding to as well, okay? So see, some of these are good stocks. Some are growth and some are value. Now, I'm still adding Regions Financial because it is a value. Their banks will make more money this year. So Regions Financial, Bank of America, JP Morgan, and as always, look into some of your ETFs such as the VOO, that's your Vanguard. Also your JEPI, okay? Some of the best performing funds right now is your ETFs, okay? JP Morgan Equity Premium Fund, okay? You get exposure. It was up today 1.79%, but you also get exposure to some of the best stocks. AbbVie, this is pharmaceutical, Progressive, ExxonMobil, Coca-Cola, Bristol Myers Squibb, United Health, PepsiCo, MasterCard, okay? So check out JEPI. It's one of the best performing ETFs. This is a collection of stocks. The other one I talked about is the VOO. This is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Also take a look at this. This is another great stock to own. Collection of stocks to own. The S&P 500 is basically a reflection of the S&P 500 index. This is where Vanguard takes the top 500 companies of the stock market, okay? So again, they were up slightly today, 2.2%. And when we look down here, they have Apple, exposure to Microsoft, exposure to Amazon, Alphabet or Google, Berkshire Hathaway, Google C shares, okay? Tesla, United Health. So if two stocks that you want to invest in this year to be quite conservative is JEPI and VOO. Okay, those are two stocks you want to take a look at this year. Not so much Tesla. You want to lean back from the Teslas and the type of growth. But if you want to stick your toe in, it still could be a good time to pick up one or few shares of high growth, and then everything else should be conservative, like your Vanguard and your JEPI fund, okay? So those are some good stocks there. Again, this portfolio was up today 2.28%, a little less than the TD Ameritrade account, but we did see all stocks rally today. We had Amazon up 3.55%, Google up 1.24%, and Chipotle up 2.78%, and looks like Nucor. Okay, Nucor is a iron steel stock. Again, Nucor stocks did rally today, up over 5%. Again, this is a value play. Nucor also pays dividends. Check them out. I also did list them in my Facebook group. Today. I did post earlier in the day. Nucor, when it hit about 144, that was earlier in the day at 5%. Also, just check out my general Facebook group. Also, check out my YouTube community page. Okay, here I am on my Chili Davis community page. This is my YouTube page. Again, I did post about Nucor up 2.66. Also, Regis Financial, that it does pay a dividend. And then also I did end up posting a little bit of Tesla and Ford. I also mentioned American Tower being one of the dividend paying stocks, was up early 3%. Okay. So still, like I said, you should be mixing your portfolio with more conservative ideas this year, 80% conservative, and then 20% possibly more aggressive in your growth stocks. Okay. So it should be reversed. Still, value play is a great place to be. That's your ConocoPhillips, your Nucor, your CLF, or even Exxon. ExxonMobil is another great pick, oil stock this year, or energy. The XLR, that's another great place you want to be. So again, continue to check out my Chili Davis community channel. This you should see if you're just scrolling through. You can get a lot of valuable information. I also post videos sometimes. Okay, so this was yesterday. Posted about the jobs numbers came out. CNBC, great information. But that is the video for today. Again, the top performing stocks was like Nucor. Nucor was up over 5%. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. And if you'd like to get started in your investment journey, please use my Robinhood link below. And everybody have a fantastic weekend. See you soon.